In this lecture, I'm going to show you a few useful functions for working with numbers. So let's set x to 3.14, or actually let's rename this to pi. Note that here I have used uppercase letters to indicate that this is a constant. In Python, unlike languages like C# and JavaScript, we don't have constants. We only have variables. So if we define this, there is nothing that stops us from changing the value of this variable. So by convention, we use uppercase letters to tell other developers in the team that this pi is a constant and it shouldn't be modified. Now, let me show you a few useful built-in functions to work with numbers. If you want to round a number, you can use the round function. So let's pass pi here and print it. So we get 3. We have another useful function, ABS, short for absolute, and it returns the absolute value of a number. So if we add a minus sign here, when we print this, we'll get 3.14. Here you go. Now, to see the complete list of built-in functions in Python, here in Google, search for Python 3, make sure to add the version number, and then add built-in functions. On this page, you can see all the built-in functions in Python. Now, in this list, we only have a few functions to work with numbers. If you want to perform complex mathematical computations, we have a separate module for that. That's the math module. So back to our code. On the top, first we need to import the math module. Now, math is an object with a bunch of useful methods for performing mathematical computations. So here we can use the dot notation to see all these methods available to us. For example, we can use math.floor to get the floor of pi. And this returns -4 because here we are using a negative sign. If you want to see the complete list of functions or methods in the math module, search for Python 3 math module. Here on this page, you can see all the functions and their description.